Straight down, straight down.
Mike, get on that.
I'm dry, get on it.
Stop point, Alpine, what's your second? I'll take third. Clear.
Lights out, lights out.
Ready? Go. You got a lot of room.
Banshee 1.5 to 1.6. We got a lot of room to move up here. We just got word that we're clear for like 100 feet. Over.
Hey, Tan, all the way down.
Post up on the hill.
Tan on the left. Tan on the left. Get a better position.
Move, move, move! Clear! My bad, my bad. Clear, clear, clear!
Is it inside or outside? Mason.
Yeah. He's on the left, on the left. I can cover you if you move up. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Fuck! Dry, dry, dry! What the fuck is wrong with this gun? The fuck? Did we get flanked or are we blue on blue?
Sorry.
Hit. Ah!
I'm a squirter.
Yeah.
Hey, it's just pee, but it still squirts.
I didn't realize all that was in place. Or right after the
Yeah.
Got one! Got one!
Dry! On the left, on the left. On the side of the big building. Hey, blue Connex down here. The light blue one.
Hey, Mason.
I see.
What the fuck do we even do?
I don't even fucking know.
Hey, LSD! I got like a fucking load of them over here.
Oh, wow.
Weapons hot! Weapons hot! I think we killed them. Are those guys in the back there?
Yeah, on the door on the blue Connex. He's actually landing shots
Hey,
close.
crossfire on the left! Hit.
From where?
Dude, I got one fucking mag left.
You do?
Yeah.
That's not fucking good. I think this
Right
might...
here! Right here! Right there! Close! Got him! He's dead!
Copy.
Scared the piss out of me.
I don't know how you didn't kill me.
Right here on the cannon. Get down! Right track! Jake, directly under you!
This way, in those pipes.
Yeah, it's the park.
I see.
Hey, 10 behind us! Or no, that's green.
What a fucking call out. Hey, Tan's moving up far.
10 moving up!
Dude, we gotta move. They're gonna flank us.
They moving on our left?
Yeah,
On our right?
they've already moved far. There's one in this middle too.
Hey, they're flanking us! Jake, I need fucking air support. They're flanking us. You're 6. Just fucking run directly that way. Oh, this one's on the roof. On the fucking roof.
Copy. Taking hits. Ah, fuck, they're already behind us. Hit!
Hit! Hit!
I feel like that midpoint in like Halo Reach where you're like losing.
Yeah.
And then you guys have like that one dire attempt to save everything and you're in the cave. This is that part.
Yeah, then like Master Chief gives you back shots.
I don't remember that part actually. I'm gonna be real with you. We should have utilized this a lot earlier. See all that tan up there?
Could jump these guys right now.
They're too far.
They're not close enough, and with the wind on the field.
Yeah, the wind's what's fucking us up all day.
They're looking.
Okay, get your fucking head.
They're taking contact. It's either we ignore them and we go that way, or we come behind them. But there's an open field between us and them, and the only cover is on their side.
Fuck that.
That's cool.
I'm never going into these fucking woods again.
Might be a good idea to fall back. I don't know. What do you think? Truck. Chris, truck, get down. Hit!
We're dead! We're dead!
Okay.
Four, three, two, one. Fucking go! 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 Kill each other! Stairs. Grenade out! Up and over!
I see him! Up! Up! Up!
Move! On you! Right side!
Hit the objective. Can we take this building? Hey, up above, up above.
Hey, right.
Hit him! He's down!
Nice, you're down the roof.
He's down again!
You got the big, you got the big. You got the big.
What the fuck?
Stay up on the roof.
I want eyes on this wall. Make sure they're not pushing us.
Are they up on the roof?
Yes. A firm.
gonna say, get Jake down here. Get him to chuck some Tagins up there. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Jake, technical! Technical! Technical!
Back up.
Up on the ceiling.
Where?
Crouch down.
It's just back away.
Yeah, you see building up here. Nice hit!
Nice fucking hit! Hey, we got one down. We got one down.
Start technical.
Oh shit! This motherfucker means business.
Hey, who's on the roof? Who's on the roof?
Let's go!
No, it's on the other roof.
We're moving. We're moving.
That's fine.
Hey!
Immediate left, immediate left. We got contacts holding immediate left. There's people in there.
Hey, let's get more people up! We need people up! Whoa! Bad, bad! Jesus fucking Christ. Throw the grenades in the building!
Right there. Got a sniper. Right here. Sniper right here.
Hey, stack up! Stack up! We're going in!
We got you, let's go.
Move! Ah! Ah!
So hey, our objective is right on the inside of this burn. Let's get spread out.
Copy.
You got a medic bag? Hey, can you be medic?
You guys got a medic bag?
Right there.
Let's get him medic. Are you dead?
Oh, man.
Now stop being helped out!
Move! Moving up. We're in the junkyard right now. I'm set. Move up, move up. I'm on you. Ordnance. Oh shit! I didn't realize those fucking drones! I didn't realize those drones can have grenades on them!
Yeah, they drop names.
I looked up and they're like, yo, above you. I look up, I see a fucking pyro. I'm like, oh.
Hey, there's a building right here.
Moving! Ah, hit it. Go around. Moving, they're moving. No? I guess not.
Hey, sit! Get into this room now, this window!
Ah! Ugh. Did we get friendlied in here? We got a lot of bodies. I got shot from this room.
Bodies in here, dude. I can't hold any.
It may have been me stood facing the other way. Because he was in the doorway and I just shot in the doorway. Are they on this wall right here?
Quite possibly, that's why
They're on that wall. They're on the white. They're also trying to come down that
come in here, come in here, come in here, come in here. Come in here.
I got fucking boom I could throw.
I think I got him.
I know. You're not gonna call it. Guys, they took down 2 of the technicals.
I'm gonna set some pressure fire. Okay? Ready? You got across? Did he get across?
Hey, turn your light off. Now all of you are not dead.
Did he go?
Ah!
Come on, guys. Need a ride?
The fuck's going on here, bro? Medic!
Hey, Dan, you might be.
Right here.
Dan?
What? Oh! Hey! Oh!
Are you green or tan?
Huh?
Are you green or tan?
What color does it look like?
I don't know. Hey, hit!
That's why I said hit! And when I watch tracers bounce off your chest plate,
I fucking love Airsoft.
So we probably follow the knob guys, right?
Yeah, I would assume. Oh, we're fucked.